What happens when a regular person uploads 3 faceless YouTube videos using AI, with no editing, no camera, and no experience? One of those videos lands on page 1 of YouTube. One of the most competitive niches out there, finance. And that single video goes on to earn over $1,000 in a week. From YouTube ad revenue and from affiliate commissions. No virality, no personal brand, no talking head, no ring light, just smart automation in the right system. This is Vydora AI, the tool that's breaking every outdated YouTube strategy in the book. Hey, I'm Ram. And for the last 4 years, I've built tools that have helped over 60,000 marketers earn online with less stress and fewer moving parts. My software has generated over $2.5 million in sales across Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and other marketplaces. And one thing I've learned from working with thousands of digital marketers, including total beginners, they don't want more complexity. They don't want another guru method. They want a way to win online that actually feels possible. That's why I created Vydora AI, the most complete system I've ever built. But before this, I had already made video tools, and they were good. People used them every day. They generated scripts, voiceovers, visuals, even basic editing. Users loved them. They created videos faster than ever before. But here's what broke my heart. They still weren't earning. They had great content, but in the wrong niches. They were uploading daily, but to channels that weren't monetized. They were pushing $5 affiliate offers in low CPM topics like pets or motivation. Their videos were getting views, but their wallets were empty. And that's when it hit me. The tools weren't broken. The strategy was... So I started asking, why do some videos make real money while others just don't? That's when I uncovered the real lever. CPM, it stands for cost per mila, or cost per 1,000 views. YouTube doesn't pay you for going viral. It pays you based on what your video's about. A budgeting video in a finance niche, $30, $50 per $1,000 views. A motivational video with music and quotes, maybe $2 CPM on a good day. It was like a light bulb. I realized I didn't need to chase more views, I needed to chase more valuable views. And that shift became the heartbeat of Vydora AI. We built it not just to help you make videos, but to choose the right niche, the right keywords, the right affiliate offers, and to get you ranked fast. No camera, no editing, no YouTube influencer nonsense. Just a system designed for one thing, turning videos into income. And it's working. Jai Sharma, a 7-figure marketer, said, I normally have a pretty high filter when it comes to software launches because most tools are just recycled hype. But Vydora AI surprised me. What I like is that it's clearly built by someone who understands affiliate marketing, not just content creation. The SEO angle, high CPM focus, and automation flow are smart. This could quietly become a serious traffic asset for marketers. And check this one out. Manish, a total beginner, shared this. I'm not a tech guy at all. The idea of editing videos or figuring out YouTube SEO used to stress me out. With Vydora AI, I was able to generate and upload my first couple of videos in a single evening. Still early for me, but just seeing content go live without all the usual confusion gave me a huge confidence boost. That's it right there. Belief. That's what Vydora AI gives people. Belief that this time it can actually work. We're already seeing videos getting ranked on page 1 of YouTube. In days, not months. We've got faceless channels that are already monetizing, from both affiliate sales and YouTube ad revenue. And these are videos made in under 10 minutes, with 0 prior YouTube experience. So what exactly is inside Vydora AI? The world's first ever AI video tool that lets you create faceless YouTube videos, rank them in high CPM niches, and monetize from ads plus affiliate commissions, with 0 editing, talking, or YouTube experience required. Here's what you get. High CPM Niche Finder. Discover profitable YouTube niches with buyer intent and higher monetization potential. AI Retention Script Engine. Generate engaging scripts designed for watch time, clicks, and audience retention. AI Scene to Video Builder. Automatically create videos with visuals, captions, transitions, animations, and music. Human-like AI voiceovers. Use realistic AI voices that sound natural and keep viewers watching longer. Auto-rank SEO engine. Generate optimized titles, tags, descriptions, and keywords for faster YouTube rankings. AI Thumbnail Creator. Create high CTR thumbnail concepts built around curiosity, fear, and opportunity angle. Faceless and AI avatar videos. Create faceless or realistic AI avatar videos without filming yourself. Multilingual video creation. Reach global audiences by creating videos in dozens of different languages. And much, much more. All in one place, one dashboard, no tech headaches. No piecing together 5 different tools. This isn't just software, it's a done-for-you YouTube income engine. And I want you to imagine this. You wake up, you check your phone. You see a $162 affiliate payout from a video Vydora AI created for you last week. You didn't edit it. You didn't film it. You didn't write a word. You just clicked a few buttons, and now your channel earns more per month than your old job. Automated, predictable, scalable. It's like a second paycheck. That never takes a sick day. That's not a fantasy. That's what Vydora AI can help you achieve. Other tools are built to create videos. Vydora AI is built to create income. Every feature is designed for monetization, from picking high CPM niches and ranking with SEO, to inserting affiliate offers and scaling across global markets with faceless multilingual content. So if you're ready to start your own faceless YouTube income machine, if you're tired of guessing, quitting, or getting ghosted by results that never show up, then click the button below. You'll get instant access to Vydora AI. You'll go from, I don't know where to start, to, I just ranked a video in 24 hours, faster than you thought possible. And here's the best part. You're covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee. Try the tool, use every feature, upload content. If you're not excited by what it can do, if you're not seeing traction, ranking, or earnings potential, we'll give you a full refund. No support drama, no screenshots, no stress. Just email us and your money is back. You have zero risk and everything to gain. And yes, when you join today, you're not doing this alone. You'll get step-by-step training videos, live coaching sessions with me and the team, priority support whenever you need help. We don't just sell software, we build success stories. But listen carefully. This is a founder's deal, which means right now you can get lifetime access to Vydora AI for a one-time payment. No subscriptions, no monthly charges, but once this launch closes, we're switching to monthly pricing, and this deal will be gone. So don't wait. Click the button below and lock in lifetime access to Vydora AI before the doors close. Let's build your faceless YouTube empire together. See you inside.